Before time, before anything, there was nothing. And God spoke, "Let there be light." From nothing, He made everything. Order from chaos, beauty from void, life from dust. This is the beginning of everything. Before time, before light, before anything we can imagine, there was God, alone in perfect eternity, and in His infinite imagination He spoke. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty. Darkness covered the deep. But the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters, waiting. And God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. God saw that the light was good. He called the light day, and the darkness He called night. And there was evening, and there was morning, the first day. On the second day, God spoke again. "Let there be a vault in the midst of the waters, to separate water from water." So God made the expanse and called it sky. He separated the waters below from the waters above. And it was so. Evening and morning, the second day. The canvas of the universe was being stretched. A home was being prepared. Then God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered into one place, and let dry ground appear." And it was so. God called the dry ground land, and the gathered waters He called seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants and trees on the land that bear fruit with seed in it, according to their kinds." And the land brought forth vegetation. The earth became a living garden. Evening and morning, the third day. God was painting with life. On the fourth day, God said, "Let there be lights in the vault of the sky to separate the day from the night, to mark seasons and days and years." He made two great lights, the greater light to govern the day, the lesser light to govern the night. He also made the stars. God set them in the vault of the sky to give light on the earth, to govern the day and the night, and to separate light from darkness. And God saw that it was good. Evening and morning, the fourth day. The rhythm of time began. Then God said, "Let the water teem with living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the vault of the sky." So God created the great creatures of the sea and every living thing with which the water teems, according to their kinds, and every winged bird according to its kind. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and increase in number and fill the water in the seas, and let the birds increase on the earth." Evening and morning, the fifth day. Life filled the air and the deep. On the sixth day, God said, "Let the land produce living creatures according to their kinds, livestock, creatures that move along the ground, and wild animals." And it was so. God made the wild animals, the livestock, and all the creatures that move along the ground. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness, so that they may rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky, over the livestock and all the wild animals." So God created mankind in His own image. Male and female He created them. God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and increase in number, fill the earth and subdue it. Rule over every living creature." Then God said, "I give you every seed-bearing plant, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. They will be yours for food." And it was very good. Evening and morning, the sixth day. Thus the heavens and the earth were completed in all their vast array. By the seventh day God had finished the work He had been doing. So on the seventh day He rested from all His work. And God blessed the seventh day and made it holy, because on it He rested from all the work of creating that He had done. In 6 days, the eternal God spoke everything into being. Order from chaos. Beauty from nothing. Life from dust. And He called it very good. This is the origin of everything. A world made on purpose. A cosmos filled with wonder. A Creator who delights in what He has made. And who made us to share in that delight. Look around you today. The same God who spoke light into darkness still holds every star. The same breath that filled Adam still gives life to you. In the beginning, God. And He hasn't stopped creating wonder. May we never lose the awe. If this story moved you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to remember the wonder of it all. Until next time, look up, look around, and give thanks.